Ito lang ah. Sabi ni Hansen na, ayusin mo yung tight mo, hindi fight. I wear tight clothing. Baliktad. So, ito same pa rin. Wait lang, papakinggan ko lang yung dulo. So, dito tayo sa gitna. So, lalabas ka sa ano, di ba, nandito ka. So, mag-open. Open ka na, atin agad. Ganun ka agad. Isa lang. Sa second. So, bam, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So, 1. Ay, yung 1 mo. Pwedeng mas nakaganon para kitang gumaganon ka. Lakaya mo pa. 5, 6, 7, and okay lang kung paatras. 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Iganon mo ng kote. Pwede ba hindi mo na nakatingin sa audience? Okay. Yan. So, tapos, yun na. Tingin agad. So, biglang tingin. Tapos, ganun mo na. Okay? Tapos, I like rap music. My hip-hop clothes. Yung action mo. That doesn't mean that I'm a 5, 6, 7, 8. Why, oh, why, sige, okay lang. Before you can reach me, you got to learn how to sing. I said, jump ka dun sa baba ng shirt ka. Jump lang na gano'n na. Boom. Okay. So, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Free your mind. Tapos pag gano'n mo, free your mind. Baba agad.
High timing.
Okay? 6 up. Before you can reach me, and learn how to see me, I said, free your mind. Yan, pababa yung mind mo. Free, di ba? Jump mo na. 6, 7, 8. Free your mind. Be colorblind. Tayo. Don't be so shallow. Free your mind. Be colorblind. Pwedeng yung be colorblind. Huwag mo i-kickbox yun. So, free your mind. Because, gawin mo parang, yun yung gawin mo. So, free your mind, we colorblind, something lang na pa-reach. Sabayan mo lang yung, yung ganon. Huwag mo na ito ganon. Ito lang, body lang. Free your mind, ano yan? Be colorblind, something na ganon. Be colorblind. Don't be so shy. Ganun mo lang. Be so shy. Yan. Be so shallow. Yan. 6, 7, 8. Free your mind.